Hi guys, Flexpipe 101. My name is Esteban, and today I want to help you with how to install the Flexpipe Creator extension. So at this point, if you're ready to install the extension, you will already have received the RBZ file. So it's just a matter of locating it and installing it into the SketchUp software. So let's open up the SketchUp program, and we'll wait for it to appear. And here we go. So what we want to do is go under the Window tab, and we'll head down to the Extension Manager, open that up, and look for the Install extension at the bottom left corner. Locate where you have saved the RBZ file, double click, and there we go. So we see that the Flexpipe Creator extension has appeared. So we'll go ahead and close this, and we can see that we now have all the tools from the Flexpipe Creator available. So it's as easy as that. One thing I want to mention is if you have a older version of the extension, to go ahead and uninstall that before installing the new one. Other than that, have fun, design, and we'll see you next time.